The average human lifespan is decreasing. If statistics are to be believed, the average lifespan has seen such a decline in most underdeveloped areas, whereas in contrast, there is a little increase in the lifespan of people in developed countries, obviously because of the better health facilities and quality of lifestyle there. But the problem here is not environmental, but technical and related to the diseases. And with diseases comes the body's immunity, which declines over the course of time as a person ages. There are an enormous number of cases reported where people cannot survive even after one heart attack. And if they by lucky chance survive the little time they live, their life quality is not the same as it was before the heart attack. What happens to them is that their body becomes unable to heal the damages caused by the heart attack, and that is a lack of healing ability that occurs in old age. And in this modern world, even youngsters have low immunity and consequently cannot heal their bodies. This decreased healing ability, coupled with the prevalence of serious and life-threatening diseases, has led to a decrease in the average human lifespan in underdeveloped and some developed countries as well, where there are facilities but still the diseases are brutal, and the body's immune system is not enough to cope with the disease. And such a situation in the modern world with its sky-high advancements in technology and healthcare is simply unacceptable. The method of action of a disease to attack the body at the ground level is that either it directly damages the normal and healthy cells of the body, or it hinders the functionality of the healthy cells or reduces their efficiency in completing the task assigned to them. There are various types of diseases, but in general, all diseases work by negatively affecting the cells of the body. Those cells are then malformed and the patient becomes sick. In most cases, even when the disease is successfully removed from the body, the damage caused to the cells of the body remains unhealable because the ideal immune system of a human being is not present in every individual. This explains why many people, after being cured of a particular disease, still experience fatigue and other more severe and devastating side effects due to the damage done to their cells. In many cases, those side effects are permanent and everlasting, and a person has to live with the condition until his or her last breath. So, if it is a cell war against the diseases, then the treatment of the disease should also be cell-based, and one such cell-based treatment is stem cell therapy, which is why stem cells are so important. Stem cells are regenerators. Stem cells are self-dividing. Stem cells heal damaged tissues by replacing the damaged cells with new healthy cells and can successfully restore the functioning of the organs of the body. The action of stem cells is opposite that of diseases, which is why they have the potential to heal almost any damage caused by any disease in the world. This makes stem cells an extremely important USP in the field of medicine and therapy. With their ability to regenerate and replace damaged cells, stem cells are the most powerful weapon in the fight against diseases in this cell war. Adult bodies include stem cells that are normally present. These cells help the body recover when necessary and preserve its functionality, but their activity is sometimes constrained for a variety of reasons. Adult bodies have a limited amount of stem cells, and that number declines more as a person gets older. Adult stem cells can differentiate into many different types of body cells, but not all of them. To replace damaged and deformed cells when used in the body, pluripotent stem cells, which can change into every type of cell in the body, are necessary. The pluripotent stem cells are easily taken from the umbilical cord, cultured in a lab under special conditions, and we can form any type of cell from them that is required and easily replace the damaged cells. Scientists are either producing such factors at the site of the body where the stem cells are needed to attract the naturally existing adult stem cells of the body to come and heal that region, or simply injecting them in the therapies, making the patient recover faster and the disease treatable. The stem cells are so important for the future of medicine and are going to change the way we treat medical conditions. The scientists, instead of going against nature, are utilizing nature to heal the conditions most effectively, and that is what makes stem cells so important and special. The research is in progress, the future is so bright, and scientists are aiming to involve stem cells in curing the diseases that are killing people, eventually increasing the lifespan of human beings and, most importantly, improving the quality of life for those that get affected by the disease and are unable to recover 100% on their own. The hopes are high, and with the important role of stem cells in future therapies, mankind will win this cell war against diseases.